This is Brynfort Academic Tutorial, and I'm going to be talking about a very interesting topic called SURD. So imagine if I ask you what is root 5. If you press your calculator for what is root 5, it's going to show you something like 2.23606, stuff like that, and the digit is going to go on, and you are not going to get the exact value. So of course, if you are going to write out the exact value, your pen is going to run out because you are going to be writing up to infinity digits. So that's where SURD came about. The mathematician said, why not leave it in that exact form? Instead of writing all the digits, you just write root 5. That's where SURD came about. So what is SURD? SURD is an irrational number written using a root sign. An irrational number written using a root sign. So as we know, or let me believe that we know that real numbers are divided into rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers are divided into rational and irrational numbers. And what are irrational numbers? An irrational number is a number that if you write the exact value, you cannot get like a repeated pattern. It goes on and on and on to infinity. So SURD is a number that cannot be simplified into rational numbers, and then so because of that we leave SURD in its root form. Now examples of SURD: root 2, root 3, you can say something like root 5, root 7, all of them are all SURD. They are all SURD. So these numbers can not be written exactly as fraction or terminating decimal. Now importantly, it's not all like roots that are SURD. Some roots are not SURD because they can be simplified. Any root that can be simplified is not a SURD. Something like root 4 is equal to 2, root 9 is equal to 3, root 16 is equal to 4. They can be simplified, so therefore they are not SURD. They give exact integers, so they are not SURD. So we use SURD because of accuracy and its simplicity. So let me talk about types of SURD. There are about three types of SURD. Number one is pure SURD. The SURD that contain only root sign. Example: root 3, root 7, root 11. They are all SURDs. Why? Because they have only root sign. They are not like something that have like 3 with something. No, they are only pure SURD. Now, means SURD. A number multiplied by a SURD, like 2 root 5 now, 4 root 3, 7 root 2. They are all means SURD. And note, let me say, someone was asking me that how will I find SURD? I said, so far you cannot simplify it, it's a SURD. Something like root 4 now, you can simplify it, therefore it's not a SURD. You cannot simplify it. Something like root 23, it's a SURD. And yes, it's a SURD. And most especially, most prime numbers are SURD. Now, I mean root of most prime numbers are SURD. So SURD with same root like 3 root 5, 7 root 5, 10 root 5, they are similar SURD. So that's the third type of SURD, and they can be added or subtracted. Like you can do 3 root 5 plus 7 root 5, 10 root 5. Okay, we are still going to go back.